Hello guys, myself Chitra from SVC. I'm here to explain about types of cloud models. Cloud models, a comprehensive overview. This presentation will delve into different cloud computing models, explore their advantages and disadvantages, and discuss key considerations for successful adoption. Going on to the next slide, we have types of cloud models. We have public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Coming up to the public cloud, shared infrastructure, cost effective, scalable, suitable for startups, businesses with dynamic needs. Coming up to the second cloud, that is private cloud, dedicated infrastructure, high security control, ideal for enterprises with sensitive data and strict compliances and requirements. Coming out of the third type, we have hybrid cloud, combination of public and a private, flexibility, cost optimization, best for organizations and diverse workloads. Coming up to the fourth type, we have community cloud, shared infrastructure by a group of organizations, collaborative, cost efficient, and specialized in industries focus. Public cloud, cost effectiveness, pay as you go model, reduced upfront investments, scalability, easily adjust resources based on the demand, flexibility, innovation, access to latest technologies and services, accessibility, easy to deploy and manage the global reach. These are the information about public cloud. Going to the next, we have private cloud, enhanced security, control over the data and infrastructure, reduced security risk, increased control, customization and flexibility, full control over the resources, compliance, meets on a specific regulatory requirements, data sovereignty, predictability, consistent performance and capacity, no shared resources contention. These are the uh, given information about a private cloud. Going on to the next, we have hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud, flexibility, optimal resources allocation for different workloads, improved security, sensitive data in a private cloud, public for a non-crucial workload, optimization, cloud optimization, leverage public cloud for a peak demand and private for stable workloads, network optimization, leverage public cloud for a global reach, private for an internal connectivity. These are the things about a hybrid cloud. Advantages of public cloud. Coming up to the first advantage, we have cost savings, pay as you go, reduce infrastructure and expenses. Coming up to the second advantage, we have scalability and flexibility. Adapt resources to meet change needs, dynamic scaling, and innovation, access to cut-edge technologies and services. Advantages of private cloud, security and compliance, stricter control over the data and access, compliance with regulations, performed and stability, dedicated resources, predictable performance, non-shared resource contention, customization, tailoring solutions to meet up the specific business. These are the advantages of the private cloud. Considerations of hybrid cloud. These are we have three types of considerations of a hybrid cloud. Workload optimization. Identify the appropriate workload for each cloud environment. Data security. Ensure the seamless data flow and the security across the environment. Governance and management. Unfair management tools for both environment. These are the considerations of a hybrid cloud. Uh, Coming up to the security and the compliance in the cloud models, we have data encryption, access control, and compliance standards. The data encryption is nothing mean by protect sensitive data, often at rest in the transit. Access control, the access control in the cloud models will be limited access to the authorized users and applications. The compliance standard meet an industry regulation and the security certificate. These are the compliance in the cloud models. Coming up to the next slide, we have uh, the migrating to an a cloud. Migrating to an a cloud will be having in a four steps. Those are assessment, planning, and implementation and monitoring. In the assessment, we have to evaluate the current infrastructure and identify the suitable workloads. In planning, we have to develop a comprehensive migration plan with timelines and resources. Coming up to the implementation, execute the migration process, ensure a minimal downtime. Coming up to the monitoring, monitor the performance and security, optimize for a continuous improvement. These are all the migrating to the clouds. Those are assessment, planning, implementation, and monitoring. Whatever the assessment is, whatever the data should be uploaded to the cloud will be done in the first step. Second will be the planning. Third will be the implementation. Fourth will be the monitoring, how the process is going on. These are the steps. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, and share.